guys, this is Evewin Lakra and today I'll be reviewing one electronic product. The name of this product is Kona Big Boss Electronic Dimmer. It's a 400 watt dimmer. There is one more version of this product available in the market, which is a 600 watt dimmer, which has been installed over here. Both the product look same, but this one is 600 watt and this one is 400 watt dimmer. Okay. You can use this product as a fan regulator to control the speed of your ceiling fan. The key feature of this product is it's 100% safe, durable, long lasting and reasonably priced. And today we will be replacing our old fan regulator with this new one.